Good morning, students. This is your science class. We are studying our first lesson, natural resources, air, water and land. First of all, we will see what are resources. Resources are the factors important for sustaining the living things on the earth and for fulfilling their basic needs are called as resources. What are resources? The factors important for sustaining the living things on the earth and for fulfilling their basic needs are called resources. Then resources are of two types: natural resources and man-made resources. The resources that we get from nature are called natural resources. Now, look at our title. Natural resources. Air, water and land. Air, water and land are the natural things and they help living things for sustaining their life and fulfill their basic needs. Means air, water and land are the resources, and as they are natural resources. Now look at this picture. What do you see here? One water body, some boats or ships, they are sailing in that water body. One aeroplane is flying in the sky. There are some clouds. At water side, river side, there are some plants, trees, some animals. In water, we can see fishes. Now look there. There are three names: lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere. Look students, sphere means layer. It is in one another language, sphere means layer. Lithosphere. Lithosphere means, litho means land. Layer of land, that is called lithosphere. Hydro. Hydro means water. And hydrosphere means layer of water. And atmosphere, layer of air, that is atmosphere. These are the three layers of the earth, or we will say these are main three layers on the earth: lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere. So let's start our lesson. Here we can see natural resources. The resources that we get from nature are natural resources. Now look in your book. You can see that something in the picture are in water, some on land and some in the sky, that is in the air. Thus all things on the earth are associated with air, water and land. Air, water and land are called Earth's atmosphere. Means lithosphere, hydrosphere, they both include in atmosphere. Hydrosphere and lithosphere respectively. Moreover, different living things occupy these three spheres of the earth. These living things and the part of lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere which they occupy are togetherly called as biosphere. Means these three layers Lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere. They three layers togetherly form biosphere. These spheres have formed on the earth naturally. We have learned all this in previous standard. We have seen it in our 5th standard. The atmosphere is the layer of air that surrounds the earth. The surface of the earth comprises water and land. That is the hydrosphere and lithosphere. Lithosphere and hydrosphere, they are on the earth. We can see land and water bodies on the earth. And above the land, we can see atmosphere. We can see atmosphere means layer of air. We also look upon those natural components in the solid, liquid and gaseous form as resources. In other words, we use them to fulfill our requirements. Let's study all these three components in detail.